So over here, you can see that I have this particular interface right here. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that this particular interface is a light interface. If you want to go ahead and change it out, let's say, for example, to a dark interface, you can actually go around over here onto settings. And then what you can do right here is you can actually go around over here onto, let's say, onto customization right here, and here you can see dark mode is an option. If I were to actually go around over here and turn this on, you can see that dark mode is turned on. So now if I were to go ahead onto any other parts of the interface right here, you can see that the text is light right here, just like this, and everything is dark. If I want to go ahead and change it back to light mode, you can simply click on the gear icon right here, and then you can go around over here onto customization and simply turn off the dark mode, and you get back to the original interface just like this again. So that is how you can go ahead and use the light and dark mode as you wish inside of TeamViewer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.